Today it's the Jordan Post slides. Slide, slide, slippity slide.
Switches on the block in a 65.
What's up, y'all? ClarkTheShark here. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today I'm going to review the Jordan Post slides. These are in football gray. Got these guys from StockX. Got a good price for them. If you're interested in using my link in the description below to get a discount from StockX, you can do so. It's there in the description. And these are really cool slides here. You know, I wear probably 80% of the footwear I wear just kind of around the hood is sandals. And I figure if you're going to do it, let's get some protection and comfort on the old feet. And these seem to do the job. So this is the second pair of the Jordan brands I've ever owned and the first slides here. So very cool, very comfortable, good support for the feet, and I strongly recommend them. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time. God bless.